Oh no, I've done it. I've done it. I've done it. The thing that I said that I would never do. I've done it. I've done it. I've done it. I've done it. That's fun, isn't it? The thing that I said that I wouldn't do this year. Let's grab a Red Bull and talk about it. Tim's locked the fridge. Oh no, I can't get in. Oh gosh, everything's gone wrong. Check out that LED refresh rate. Looks fine, and then as soon as you zoom into this, it gets quite wild. Red Bull, if you're watching, why would you be watching this? I've done it, I've done it. We actually might be doing a thing together soon, but more on that later. Today, I want to talk to you about this. The 70-200. I made a gear video a couple of weeks ago, and I said that I was not going to be getting one, that I was going to be relying solely on my Samyang 85 f1.4 RF AF. And as you can see, I've done it, I've done it. I've already purchased this again. This is the fourth time I bought this lens. I buy it, I don't use it for a few months, and then I sell it. It was an in-demand item for a little while, and it was pretty easy to sell. Now I think I bought it, and I'm gonna keep it for good. And I'm gonna tell you why in the video now. Video now, yes, why did I buy the 70-200 f2.8? I've done it, I've done it. It's such a versatile lens. I don't know if it's in sequence, maybe it's already come out, but I'm doing a full video day, a full day of wedding video. And interruption, if you're watching this before July 14th, it is my birthday on July 14th. And you can get it on the members website for $30. If you don't know what the members website is, I'm sure I've talked to you about it and you've seen it in 100 videos. It's access to all of my premium content, which is all of my courses. And now weekly content, behind the scenes wedding day just has gone up. And there's, I don't know, here's the list of this stuff. Go look at it, and if it seems interesting, sign up, $30 until July 14th. And if you're not happy, 100% money back guarantee within 30 days. Send me an email. This is my email right here, and I'll just send you your money back. That's all. Back to the video. And I could have done the entire day on the 70-200. It's an incredibly versatile video lens. It is incredibly versatile for ceremonies, specifically for wedding photography. But I've been using it more and more for the sunset sessions kind of at the end of the day. And it gives me a lot of variety, especially when doing hybrid photo video coverage, that I can zoom around. I can get a bunch of different shots very, very quickly and not have to run around physically with my feet, even though I'm fine doing that. It's just that we have 5 minutes with the couple. If I can stand in one spot or maybe move a couple of steps and get 4 or 5 different video frames and 4 or 5 different compositions of photos, it is a better tool for the job. So is this lens an absolute requirement for a wedding photographer? Of course not. There are some rules, but there aren't really official rules to being a wedding photographer. And it is whatever you are the most comfortable with. If you're most comfortable on a 70-200, maybe this can be your choice. If you're more comfortable on a 50 prime, that's great too. As far as versatility goes and just getting the shots that I need, this makes my life so much easier on the wedding day. And that is why I've gone back to it. So sorry for misleading you and telling you that I wasn't gonna have one this year, because I got one. Oh, and I also immediately sold the Canon 50 1.2 as well. I used it for a few weddings. My brain is not at 50mm focal length. It's not for me. Maybe a note to you. You watch people and you like their work. Say you watched the Sam Hurd second shooting video, you saw the 50 and you're like, man, that's a nice lens. I should get one. And then you try to make it work and it doesn't work. Don't force it to work. Double down on what works. So if you like the 85, use the 85. You like 35, use the 35. Don't force yourself to use focal length that you do not 100% connect with. But if you're on a kit lens, please throw that in the garbage as fast as possible. Actually, no, kit lenses are good now. I shouldn't say that. If you're on the 18-55 kit lens for Nikon or Canon digital SLRs, maybe garbage. But if you are on one of the newer ones, the F4, the 24-70 F4 for Nikon, or even I don't know if I'd use it for a wedding day specifically, but the Canon one, also very, very nice. The Fuji one, the kit lens is amazing. So anyways, I have the 70-200 back, and it's on my Canon R3 for this year, which I've talked about a lot, and it will be, I don't know, I'm gonna try it at A1 for a little bit. I think Sony's gonna send me an A1, not to keep, just to try for a little bit. And I'm gonna test it out. The problem right now is that the buffer speed, when I tested it, to go in and take a bunch of photos and switch to video, it took a little while to write to the cards in order to let me record. With this, it has been very, very instant. I take a lot of photos, especially on mirrorless, and to have instant access to be recording video is actually kind of crucial and something that I very much rely on now that the technology has become available. I don't want to go backwards and have to do what I did when I shot the D750 and shoot video first and then swap and do raw photos. Not for me anymore. If you are watching this before July 14th, It is my birthday, July 14th. And you can get it on the members website for $30 rather than $40. 100% money back guarantee. You join up. You don't like all the courses. There's so much content over there. All my presets, my video LUTs, and there's going to be weekly content going up now again as well. Head on over to the weekly content. A behind the scenes wedding day has just recently gone up, and you can watch that as well as all of the other weekly content. There's podcasts up there. There's like a full year of podcasts. There's a lot. Head on over there. Check it out. I'm Taylor. I'll see you later. Goodbye.